This is going to be a quick video on how to set up inbound and outbound text messages in Flexie CRM using Twilio. So let's just get right into it. So if you go to the gear in the top right corner and click configuration, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see SMS settings right here. You're able to choose Nexmo or Twilio. This one is about Twilio. So you have a Flexie callback URL that is unique to your CRM. So my link is right here. They give you a area to put in your SID and then your account's token, as well as the SMS to send the number from. If you're sending from the United States, you're going to want to make sure that you keep the +1 in there, or the plus whatever your country code is. So the next step is actually getting that information from Twilio. So you're going to go on into Twilio and then click programmable SMS and then click messaging services. And if you don't have that, click the all products and services button right here and then click programmable SMS, and that'll take you to the right spot. So what you're going to want to do then is create a new messaging service, and you can name it whatever you want to. And in this case, I named it Flexie. So then you get a service SID right over here. This would be fine if you just want inbound SMSs to come in, but you won't be able to send any outbound text messages that way. So you're going to want to use your account's SID as opposed to this programmable SMS SID. The use case you're going to set up as a marketing two-way. You're going to want to click process inbound messages and then put in the request URL as the link that Flexie CRM gave you. Outbound settings, this was not necessary. I don't even know why I had that in here. We'll just save that. And then the rest of everything, just keep it as it is. And then to find your SID, just go to your dashboard, and then to get your auth token, make sure to just click to view that and copy and paste that into Flexie CRM, and then save and close. The next thing that you want to make sure to do is set up the mobile phone field. That's not automatically set up for you, so you're going to want to go into whether it's leads or contacts or whatever, go into manage fields and then set up a custom field by clicking new and then setting up a brand new field. So obviously this will be a mobile phone, and then you set up the label as mobile phone or whatever you want to call it. As you see, I've set mine up right here. The next thing to do is to set up a workflow. So whether it's going to be for a lead or a contact, you're going to want to set up separate workflows. But you're going to want to set up a listener and then have it watch for incoming SMSs. So unless you want them to only be from like a certain country code or whatever, you can specify that. But if you put a asterisk, it's going to just allow any number. So that's what I've allowed. And also something to keep in mind as well too, you get documentation here on the SMS sender number and the text, which will come in handy over here if you want it to send you a web notification. You can also have Flexie send you a email or whatever. But you can do new SMS from first name if you have them already set up in your system. Then you've got a new text from first name. Then it'll show the sender number and then the incoming text. So that's pretty cool. So let me just try that for example. There we go. I got a new text from myself. You'll see right here that I said, hey. In order to send an outgoing SMS, you would do that here. But you first want to make sure that you set up their mobile phone number. The normal phone number will not be effective here. And that's really about it. There's not much more depth that I can go into on that. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it.